Alright, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another video. Sorry if you hear any noise in the background. I'm currently right now in the middle of nowhere, camping right now. Sorry if the internet's slow too, because I'm using my hotspot and my laptop right now until we get back home. So right now we have a lot to talk about since last night's video. Tropical Storm Elsa is currently making its way into Cuba area now, and right now it has weakened a lot since last night. As you guys can see, now we're officially actually beginning to show some strengthening in the parts of the center right here. So it's showing strengthening now. If it which is tending to the center is going to be missing this island right here along with Jamaica too. So if this happens right here where the center goes like this, more like that, but if it can avoid Cuba, then we have a potential more chance of this thing strengthening. The longer it stays off land, because these mountains were forecast for it to be destroyed. Actually, that's the reason why our cones have been knocked down a little bit, because we're expecting this storm to be destroying. But as you guys see, this storm is trying to reorganize as of right now, with a bunch of thunder in the center right now. So right now, it's currently, as of right now, we're speaking, is trying to re-intensify. Now, if it does avoid Cuba, then we could see it be having more time of reforming. So we're gonna move on to the next thing. Like I said, the internet is probably gonna be slow today. But no big deal. So let's actually take a look at our cone for today, and this is our. I believe that actually the cone. Yep, the 8 p.m. updated just 10 minutes ago. So if we so right here, guys, as you guys can see, we're gonna zoom in a little bit, and you guys can see that we are currently seeing still some hurricane watches as of right now and warnings. Back here, we do expect this to maybe make landfall around for Florida Tuesday p.m. Tuesday on 2 p.m. around there. Then we're making its way. As soon as it hits land, it's gonna be a fast moving storm. Now, if this storm does attempt to make it past Cuba fine, it has a little bit more time and moves slower, we could see this thing go back to a hurricane. I think maybe has a 20% chance of seeing that right now. If we go to tropical tidbits real fast, before we go actually onto that, I want to check out the wind probability. And the reason why we're not stating this wind probability out too much right now is because we are not 100% sure where the storm is going to be strengthening or weakening. So, guys, this is something we do have to keep in mind. We're still having all these winds still stay off the shore of Florida right now with the strong percent chances. We're actually, with all 40-50% chance of seeing that type of things, are still off of the Florida coast of Tampa Bay and the Panhandle. So that's your win probability um, percent for tropical storm force winds. So we're going to be checking out. Let's check out our intensity guide right here. So tropical storm Elsa. The pressure has went up a tremendous amount. It was 991 and now it's 1002. So that's a lot right there, and we're only seeing 60 KT. It was 85, I believe, yes, 75 KT yesterday. So this went down 15 KT in the last 10 hours. If we look at the GFS ensembles real fast, as you guys can see, um, the GFS, the crazy part is, sorry for noise in the background. The crazy part is that the models were right a whole entire time that we are going to be seeing weakening in the storm. I think that this storm is going to have maybe a least chance of forming into a hurricane now. Just to be honest, if we even look at our intensity guide right here, so as you guys can see, sorry for the bark in the background. Um, you guys can see that all these malls have went down tremendous with a tropical storm now. We're not seeing no malls, only 2 malls are currently with the category 1 right now. So I don't expect this thing to intensify anymore. If it does, it's going to be a really strong tropical storm. I don't expect it to be a hurricane anymore. Um, and plus, it's typical for June storm. That's something you're going to be seeing in June. So we check out our wind shear map. As you guys can see, that we're going to be seeing parts of up here that has wind shear currently right now, but not affecting the storm. We do have a little bit of wind shear mixed up on the side of it, of the north of it, and then some of it on the south of it. So really not too much of a wind shear problem with this. It does have some dry air mixed up with it. Like I said, it is finding some stuff. If we check out our Hurricane Hunters right here, so we go down to here, scroll a little bit, and we go down to here. You guys can currently see that instead of this corner over here being let me get my stuff real fast. Alright, let's see. Alright, here we go. As you guys can see, you guys are having a lace. This was least purple, this type of purple last night. It's currently dropped a lot, all the way up to I think 50, yeah, 60 KT instead of it being only 83 KT. We still see some 83 KT, which has dropped a lot. You know, you're only seeing pockets of it. You know, you see the center. This is where the center is probably right now. Probably is a little bit more towards up here a little bit more now, since it is the last time they flew out there. But like I said, I'm gonna do a quick video, just a quick update. I'll probably no video tomorrow. Just trying to cover everything up real fast, and I think that's gonna be about the video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Just a quick updation on this storm, real fast. Just with it becoming a tropical storm. This is Mike's weather page. And make sure you hit that subscribe button below if you enjoyed this video. And make sure you hit that post notifications bell if you choose to subscribe. And don't forget to like, share, comment with your guys' family. And don't forget to like. Until next time.